Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about the incident of Valtteri Bottas at Monaco GP. The Monaco Grand Prix of 2021 was finished with the win of Max Verstappen of Team Red Bull. Carlos Sainz from the Ferrari won the second place and Lando Norris from McLaren won the third place. Though Charles Leclerc gave first Ferrari pole since 2019 in Mexican Grand Prix, he had to abandon the race because of the incident in the pole position. Valtteri Bottas had to face his longest pit stop due to a mechanical problem. Let's talk about the pit stop incident of Bottas. The right front wheel of his car could not be removed until nearly 2 days later. F1 teams regularly spend around 2 seconds for this task. But Mercedes had to wait until the car was back in the factory on Tuesday morning to get the wheel off. That was more than 43 hours after the pit stop began. Usually Mercedes has 20 mechanics on hand at this stop. 3 for each wheel, 1 putting the wheel on, 1 taking the wheel off, 1 on the wheel gun, 1 on each jack at front and rear, 1 on each spare jack at the front and rear, on either sides of the middle of the car to keep it more secure while it's off the ground, 1 on the hand crank brake board, and a chief observer. For Mercedes and Bottas, it appears that being slightly out of position was the trigger for the chain of events that led to his demise at Monaco, as the fin pulled up a little short of his primary marker. Valtteri Bottas was running second before pitting on lap 31, but wouldn't exit the pit after a Mercedes pit stop. Bottas said that it was disappointing and he couldn't believe it was happening. Team boss Toto Wolff added that it had never happened to that extent before and was something that they need to understand. Valtteri Bottas had to face the longest pit stop of Formula history due to mechanical problem. The title fights will continue in Baku in 2 weeks' time, and you can follow it all right here. The title fights will continue in Baku in 2 weeks' time, and you can follow it all right here.